1955 Starfire. The door. You can see it's got the wooden screen door. Excuse the shakiness. Wooden screen door. Actual door. Original lock. Cover. Original tires with hubcaps. Hangers for lamps. Original lamps, turn signal lights, whatever you call them. Let's get the back. As you can see, here's one of those storage things I mentioned in the ad. Here's the hole. That is one drawback right there. Okay, this is the back. You can see it's got the original lights. I gotta rewire them with new wire though. In the window, I'm not sure why the tape is on the window, because it doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with it. Okay, on this side, again, original lights, window, storeroom, original tires with hubs. We will go inside. It's a mess, excuse it. I was told there was carpet in here. The carpet was pulled out and replaced. There you see the original stove and actually the original icebox. As you can see, there is damage up in the main panel. But looking from this door, nothing's been painted or covered. It's got the original latches. This is the original seating, all original wood, gun rack, lamp, little storage rack for magazines. Under here, all the storage is in place. As you can see, in the brochure it says there's a full closet, and guess what? This is the full closet. It's getting dark, it's hard to see, but and it's got storage underneath. It's got storage there. Like I said again, original sink, original icebox. Don't get me wrong, this is an icebox, not an actual. And the original stove. Cabinets, again, the main damage is right here by the vent. There's a little curtain-like rod here. I'm not really sure. A little bit damaged back there, but on the outside you don't see it. So maybe it's just a little bit of a takeover. You can see here. I'm not sure if this mattress is... No, it's not an original mattress, I'm pretty sure. Here we have storage. It's getting dark. But in one of these is the original lamp. Not sure where he put it. I have extra cones for the tail lamps. This is came with the, I have no clue what it is. Again, hard to see. This is a 1955. Oh, look. Here's a little sieve. You could tell it's the original water and the original lamp. This is an original light with the plug in the side. It's hard to see again. I'm looking for the actual light. Like I said, it comes with parts. Extra tail lamp pieces and front lamp. Wow, that's glass. Let me try and figure out. Oh, here's the stool that came with it originally. This is part of the overhead bunk. There was a bunk that was a hanging bunk. This is part of the actual bunk. Like I said, I think this is the original seating. Oh, there's some damage there. This, if I get rid of the raincoat, is the original seat that came with the unit, as well as the original step. And sorry, this is so shaky. Didn't mean it to be in here. Storage. And I will find the lamp and talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.